Your app is probably locking out millions of users right now, and it's not because of a bug, it's because of your design. For millions of people with disabilities, an inaccessible app isn't an inconvenience, it's a closed door. Think about someone who can't see your screen. They use a screen reader, like VoiceOver on iOS or TalkBack on Android, to navigate. If your buttons are just icons with no text labels, all they hear is button, unlabeled. Imagine trying to buy something when the checkout button is a complete mystery. You can test this yourself in 2 minutes. Go to your phone's accessibility settings and turn on the screen reader. Suddenly, a single tap selects an item and reads it aloud. A double tap activates it. Now, try to use your favorite app. Is it easy? Or is it a confusing mess? Pay attention to the focus order. As you swipe, does it move logically through the screen, or does it jump around randomly? Are your touch targets big enough? WKG recommends at least 44 by 44 pixels. Anything smaller is a nightmare for someone with a motor tremor. And don't forget gestures. If swiping is the only way to delete something, you've locked out anyone who can't perform that specific motion. There must be a simple button alternative. This isn't just about compliance or avoiding legal trouble, it's about people. It's about making a conscious choice to build products that work for everyone, ensuring your digital world is open to all.